Bihar government to aid flood-affected citizens, says Minister. The Bihar government has promised financial assistance to those impacted by the recent floods, as declared by Santosh Kumar Suman, the state's Water Resources and Disaster Management Minister. He acknowledged the severe devastation caused by the floods, worsened by excessive water release from Nepal. Under Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's leadership, the government is coordinating relief efforts. 35 NDRF and SDRF teams are actively working on the ground alongside 1,000 boats and temporary shelters for affected families. The government plans to offer Rs 7,000 through direct benefit transfers (DBT) and accesses damages for additional compensation. Spiritual leader calls for state mother status for cows in Bihar. Aniruddhacharya, a religious figure, has urged Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar to declare cows as the state mother. At a spiritual event in Samastipur, Aniruddhacharya emphasized the cultural importance of this move, suggesting that fulfilling this demand would ensure Nitish Kumar's tenure as Chief Minister for life. Bihar's Water Resources and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Vijay Kumar was also present, where the leader suggested linking larger rivers with smaller ones to mitigate recurring floods. Vijay Kumar noted that the state has been working on similar initiatives for over 15 years. JDU MLA Dr. Sanjeev criticizes senior party leader sparks tension. In Bihar's Janata Dal United, internal conflicts are surfacing as MLA Dr. Sanjeev publicly criticized senior party leader Ashok Chaudhary. Dr. Sanjeev, MLA from Parbatta, accused Chaudhary of making derogatory remarks against the Bhumiyar community, potentially stirring caste-based debates. Despite claiming party unity, Dr. Sanjeev expressed concern over the use of caste remarks to create division. Dr. Sanjeev, a practicing doctor and son of former Transport Minister Ramanand Prasad, has brought attention to factional disputes, signaling challenges as the state gears up for elections. NDA partners in Jharkhand finalizing seat allocation for elections. Ahead of the upcoming Jharkhand state elections, the National Democratic Alliance NDA partners including BJP, AJSU and JDU are close to finalizing their seat-sharing arrangement. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma confirmed that BJP will contest in alliance with AJSU and JDU. According to AJSU Central Secretary Sanjay Ranjan, most seat-sharing decisions have been made with only a few constituencies still under negotiation. A final announcement is expected as the alliance prepares for a competitive political battle against the India coalition in the elections. Union Minister Giriraj Singh calls for NRC in Jharkhand, criticizes CM Soren. Union Minister Giriraj Singh has called for implementing the National Register of Citizens (NRC) in Jharkhand to protest the tribal identity, accusing Chief Minister Hemant Soren of allowing the indigenous tribal population to decline significantly under his leadership. Singh blamed illegal immigration, particularly from Bangladesh and Rohingya communities, for altering the state's demographic balance. He also called for NRC implementation in other regions like Bengal and Assam. Singh further criticized opposition leaders for promoting divisive rhetoric and urged unity among the Sanatani community.